Chunnu Munnu runs land.
Early morning sun shines bright. Chunnu Munnu wake with delight. They run to the kitchen, ready to go. Let's make breakfast nice and slow. First they wash their hands so clean. Pick up bread and jelly in between. They spread the jam, not too thick. Cut the toast, quick, quick, quick. Next they crack an egg or two. In the pan they watch it too. Sizzle, sizzle, what a sound. Golden eggs all nice and round. They pour some milk and slice some fruit. Bananas, apples, oh how cute. Put it all on a plate so neat. Breakfast ready, what a treat. Mommy claps and daddy smiles. Good job kids, you've learned with style. Chunnu Munnu laugh with glee. We can make breakfast, you and me.